welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching Restaurant Remake. Today I'm doing another Cheesecake Factory dish. Now before I talk about the dish that I'm going to be doing today, I would like to hear what is your favorite dish at the Cheesecake Factory. Please comment below. I will put other video that I have created with the Cheesecake Factory, like the latest video of my Thai lettuce wrap. So if you have not yet checked out that video, I will put that in the description box below. So today I will be doing pasta da Vinci from the Cheesecake Factory. So let me show you how to do that right now. Boil, add some salt, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, we're gonna put in our box of mini penne. And we're gonna cook it for 7 minutes. Alright, so 7 minutes has passed. We're gonna take this off from the heat and we're gonna drain it. Okay, we're gonna drain it under the cold water here. Alright, so I wanna get all the water out. Give it a good toss. Okay, here are the ingredients to do our Cheesecake da Vinci pasta here. I'm gonna transfer the chicken over, and the chicken breast you wanna cut it into cubes or basically bite-sized pieces in this case. I'm gonna season with black pepper. Okay, a teaspoon of salt here. All right, give it a good toss. Just gonna add a little bit more black pepper. Alright, so I recommend putting some flour here that coat our chicken breast here, because once we cook it, it's actually going to be giving us a nice texture, as well as when we do our sauce and add it into our sauce, it's going to give us it's going to capture the sauce. So I do prefer breading my chicken here. Alright, so that's good. Just toss it over. And just make sure every chicken piece is covered with flour, and we're good. I'm gonna sear our chicken breast first. And I'm using my Le Creuset brazier pan here to do this. We're gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it over to do the other side. I'm just gonna add a little bit more oil here. So I added a tablespoon earlier. Just wanna add a little bit more, since I'm dealing with a big pan here. All right, let's flip our chicken. All right, so after a few minutes, we can take them out. Okay, turning to a medium-low heat, we're gonna use some butter, and we're gonna butter our pan. Using the same brazier, I'm gonna add my butter, and I'm gonna saute the onions right now. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper here. All right, we're just gonna do a pinch of salt. All right, so we're gonna cook this until the onion is tender. All right, I'm gonna add in my garlic. Okay, I'm gonna add in my mushroom as well. This is the shiitake mushroom. All right, I'm gonna season with some more black pepper here. Again, just a pinch of salt. All right, so as you can see, the mushrooms started to get brown as well. We're gonna add in our masala wine to deglaze the pan. All right, so we're gonna scrape down our pan here, and we're gonna cook down our wine for about 5 minutes. All right, we're gonna add back our chicken breast back in. We're gonna add our cream, the heavy cream, followed by our sour cream. So in a very low heat that we are medium low heat, we're gonna cook our sauce until our sour cream melted into our sauce here. Okay, finally I'm gonna add my 1 tablespoon of butter, the remaining butter that we have. All right, I wanna add a little bit more black pepper here. We're going to directly transfer back our pasta back into our sauce. So I'm using a mini penne here. You can use a full-size penne. All right, so by putting the pasta back in and we're going to toss with the sauce will thicken up as we do this process. Alright, so I'm gonna plate my pasta. And this is the Cheesecake Factory Da Vinci pasta. Alright, can't wait to give it a try. It smells so good because of the masala wine. So creamy. Alright. Mushroom, chicken. All right. Hey, let's give this a try. My version of the Cheesecake Factory Da Vinci pasta. Yeah, very creamy, it's actually not too rich. I mean, even though we put cream and sour cream in it, wow, it's actually pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Cheesecake Factory Da Vinci. Now you know how to make it at home. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button below. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our food travel shopping channel, hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification for our latest video and update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Restaurant Remake.